Hello guys. Welcome back again in my channel. Today I have here Dell Inspiron 3521 with intermittent power and matching beep sounds. According to my client, 2 repairers told him to buy a new laptop because his laptop is unable to repair, due to dead motherboard. So the owner refused to agree that his laptop is not able to fix, because he has an important files inside of it. That's why he asked some of his friends if they know who can help him to solve his problem, and one of his friends refers our shop. So I will took the most opportunity to do my job well. Okay. As I observed, this unit have a very common issue if you know how to properly troubleshoot it. First, start the basic troubleshooting. Before I proceed, if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for you to get notified in my future videos. Remove all screws to properly facilitate the motherboard separation. As I checked, all voltages that I need to find is all present. It means I have no problem with components. Definitely the issue is the BIOS firmware or BIOS bin file. So, for me to fix the issue, I need to flash a new bin files into the chip, for me to have a working device. So I can tell my client that his faith to us is fully accomplished. And his laptop have good as new performance. Okay. The new bin file has been flashed successfully to the chip. Let's install the chip and test the motherboard. Alright. Done installing the chip. Cool down the motherboard about 2 to 3 minutes and assemble for testing. Okay. Dell icon on screen. It means I have done successfully the process. And I think my client would very much happy for his laptop have new life again with good as new performance. And it's been an honor to help another person in need. Okay guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Every single subscription is a small act with a very huge effect. And it helped me motivate to do a lot of videos for us to grow more and learn more in our repair industry. See you again in my next video. And thanks for all your support and for those continuously supporting my channel to grow. This would be my inspiration and my foundation to be part of your journey towards success. God bless everyone. Bye bye.